I've just received a pair of Clip On Veneers from Instasmile. I've been an ambassador for Instasmile for over a year now, and I thought I'd do a video to debunk some myths surrounding Clip On Veneers. So myth number 1. The process of making your impressions is hard. Incorrect, the process is so easy. You boil the gum shields, bite into them, send them away, 10 days later you got your veneers. Mine came even sooner. Myth number 2. All clip-in veneers look fake. Wrong. Obviously I got the whitest, fakest look, but if you want more of a natural look you can go for that. Myth number 3, you can't eat with clip-in veneers. Wrong. You can eat and drink with most Instasmile products, but the more you look after them, the longer they will last. Myth number 4, you can't talk with clip-in veneers. At first, putting any foreign object into your mouth will be strange, but after a couple of days your speech will be fine. Instasmile are an amazing company that care about their customers. What are you waiting for? Go and order your dream smile today.